To fix an American Express gift card that is not working, start by checking the card balance to ensure there are sufficient funds available. You can do this by visiting the American Express website or by calling the customer service number on the back of the card. If the balance is low, you may not have enough funds to complete a purchase, which could be why the card is not working. Next, verify the card's expiration date to ensure it has not expired. American Express gift cards typically have an expiration date printed on the front of the card. If the card has expired, it will not be accepted for purchases. Another common reason an American Express gift card may not be working is due to incorrect PIN entry or the card not being activated. If you are using the card at a merchant that requires a PIN, ensure you are entering the correct PIN. If you are unsure of the PIN, you can reset it by calling the customer service number on the back of the card. Additionally, if you have not activated the card, you will need to do so by calling the customer service number or visiting the American Express website. It is also possible that the merchant you are trying to use the card at does not accept American Express gift cards. Not all merchants accept American Express, so it is a good idea to check with the merchant before attempting to make a purchase. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it is possible that the card has been blocked or flagged for security reasons. In this case, you will need to contact American Express customer service to resolve the issue. They will be able to assist you in determining the cause of the problem and provide a solution. To avoid issues with your American Express gift card in the future, make sure to keep the card in a safe place. Do not share the card or PIN with anyone, and keep track of the card balance and expiration date. By following these steps and best practices, you can help ensure your American Express gift card works properly and you can avoid any issues or inconvenience.